Alright guys, I've got the second nozzle to work. So as you'd said, you know, when you send the print command, send T1 and it should start printing. So if you have a look at this, I'll just do a simple extrude right now for 10 mm, and it's going to do that fine. That's 10 mm. That does it. Alright, just gonna get that. Alright, so that's fine, I guess. But what it's not doing now, I finally got it to work, but what it's not doing anymore is printing or anything sticking to the bed. And because of that, it's just going everywhere. Now I've done the calibration, it's set it up, so I'll show you what I've done. So if I go up and I put this in between there, there's two papers. Stick it in. Alright, so that should do it. Now if I print this, restart printing, and this is what's happening. It's not printing anything, the bed isn't holding anything. For some reason it's just all sticking to the head. All of it's just stuck to the head, it's not printing anything. Now if you look at the head temperature, the bed temperature is at 50 and extruder 1 is at 200. Alright, so I don't know why it's not sticking. Furthermore, every time that it starts a print job, the adjustment that you do from here goes out, it just doesn't work. So if I put it back and I try to put this in there, it just goes freely. It just messes the adjustment all by itself. I don't know why. I'll do it again. Right now it's pretty much sticking to this.